Well, that's nice.
That's how I about marble size.
Yeah. You have the tornado warning? Oh, wow, you can hear it now.
So yeah, marble size hail, a lot of wind, a lot of rain, thunder.
Yep.
It must suck for Mom driving on the...
I know, that's what I was thinking.
I should probably have to pull over because you can't drive 50 miles per hour even though. Ooh, here comes the wind.
I felt like calling and saying, where are you? But I don't want to call them while they're out here. Yeah. God. I'm going to call Matt. I'm not going to call Mom.
Yeah. Matt at least answers text messages, doesn't he?
Yeah.